Good, beautiful morning, everyone. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I'm so glad you joined me today. I appreciate your support so much. I love reading your comments, and I just really appreciate all of you who have subscribed lately. And I think I'm going to eventually, sometime in the near future, do a kind of get to know me kind of video. So if you're interested in that, you can let me know, but I'm going to do it anyway, even if nobody responds. But yeah, I thought maybe I would make it kind of be like my channel trailer or something like that. But anyway, today I am working on Marguerite Miller's week number 36, her collage assignment. I need a button. I have 2 buttons, not sure if I'm going to use both or just one. Anything postal related. I had this was an envelope that I think my husband had picked up at the post office that was already postmarked. I don't know how that worked, but I think that's what that was. It's quite old. It's probably from the 80s. So I've got that, and then something that lays eggs is the bird. And then also a photo, and also something else that lays eggs is right here. And the floral paper in the background, and then that was the bonus. And I was going to maybe use the bonus instead of something that turns or spins, in case I can't find something that turns or spins. But I do also believe I'm going to put some washi tape across the top and the bottom, and maybe get something to kind of mount this photo on. And then I also have these vintage actual postal cancellation stamp, and this one says small packet, which I thought I could also put on here somewhere. So those are my postal related items. Now I thought maybe I could look through here. I want to see if there's anything maybe that I could use with wheels that might look good, but I'm not counting on it. There's some old cars. Maybe I could put an old car going across the bottom. That might be cool. That one seems cool, but I think it might be too big unless I kind of move that up there. Actually, I could do that. I think I am. Isn't that weird? I'm going to cut this out, and I will be back, and then we're going to put all of our components together. So, I did it. I cut everything out. I even cut in between the spokes, which was not easy. So, I'm going to put that across the bottom. And then I just want to get some of this fabric and put it behind my picture. I think that will look okay. I was thinking green might look better, but I think I'm just going to go ahead with this. But what I'm going to do is use my new pinking shears that I got yesterday. Yesterday, my son had to have something brought to him for, he went back to college last week, and something came in the mail for him, so we had to bring that to him. He needed it for, I guess, I don't know what he needed it for, but he needs to find out his college address so we don't have to be bringing him stuff all the time. But anyway, while I was there, I had a 40% off coupon for Joann's, and I thought, oh, I've been wanting new pinking shears and new, also new, oh shoot, just regular fabric scissors. So, I think I decided, well, I don't think I did. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this shorter, like right on this fold. And anyway, the scissors were already on sale for 50% off, so I didn't use my coupon, but I still got 50% off instead of 40% off. So I thought that was pretty cool. But, I don't know when you can use coupons, because there's always sales going on, and you're not allowed to combine coupons with sales. So that was a little confusing to me. So then I thought, oh, I'll use my 40% coupon to get an issue of Daphne's Diary. But you can't use that 40% off coupon for magazines. So I didn't get that. I was really hoping I would get that. I think I'm going to make this just a teensy bit. There's like a fold there that I want to get rid of, because it's just folding under. Oh, I hope I haven't just made it too small. So there's that. So that's going to go on top of this. Yeah, I think that's fine. I might actually want to make this part a little bit. I don't want that much showing, you know, showing out from the sides. So I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. Okay, and then, so we'll have that like that. And then I can also, I was thinking about sewing the button on, but I guess I still could, like right there. Just sew it right to the, if I punch my holes out first, I could. I need to trim this down a teensy bit, and I need to get my washi tape out. So we're going to just trim this off a tiny bit so it will fit on the page, not come off the edge of it. And so that's going to go like that. And I'm thinking I've got some like really pretty Monet washi tape that I think would look pretty on top, like this and this, maybe a little bit on the top and a little bit on the bottom. So that's what I'm doing with that. And I think I'm gonna just get a glue stick out first and just go across the top with my glue stick. Oops, a hunk. I hope you're all doing well and that you're happy and healthy. I'm still struggling a little bit with depression. In fact, like, I went to the grocery store, and you know, last time I went to the grocery store, my daughter was here, and we went together, and she picked out some things, and sometimes not when my son is home, you know, I get him little snacks or treats, or, you know, he asks for something and I'll get it for him. But I didn't have anybody to buy, you know, little extra things for, and I really did almost start crying in the grocery store. I know I did in the car when I got to the car. It's really hard for me sometimes not to cry in public, and that kind of freaks me out a little bit. It's one thing when you're home alone and you're sad and you cry, but when you're in public, I don't know. I don't know what I think about that, but anyway, let's get this glued down. I think I just bumped you with my glasses. So now I'm like wondering what to do now that I don't have any people around anymore. You know, I still have my son and daughter-in-law and grandson that basically live right around the corner, but so I will, you know, babysit once in a while for them, and they come over for dinner or lunch a lot, so that's nice. And there, so that's what we're going to do with that. I think we need to get our stamp here. This is from a post office that, I thought I had a black one. I guess I do have a little black one. I should have got a big black ink when I was at Joann yesterday. I think they were on sale too. So let's try this. Actually, I think I probably should, I think I'm going to ink around this in brown and then glue it down and then put on my postage stamp thingy. I just really thought that this bird was pretty. Let's see if I can, there, that's better. This time of year, well, summer, spring, and fall, actually, I have a hard time. Like, I want to work on my journals and stuff, but I also want to be outside, I think, sometimes more than I want to work on my journals. Sometimes I try to bring stuff out if it's not too windy. But honestly, when you have very long winters, I want to make the outdoor time last as long as possible. And sometimes that means neglecting crafting so that you can be outside. We live in a very windy place, so let's see. I'm gonna go like this. So we have that. It says Gilbertsville, New York. And I just kind of put this like this. So this is so small. I almost feel like I should have done it in brown. It might have looked better. I don't know. This says small packet. And I think maybe just move this down a little bit and put it right here. There, small packet. I think that's good. Those are my postal related items. And now we've got this, but I have to remember I have this. So I guess some of my small packet is going to be covered, but that's all right. And that's going to go there, and that's my... Okay, I think that's everything. Let's get this fabric glued down. And I'll just go ahead and put this on here. So, do you have trouble too with like balancing time in your craft room with being outside when it's nice? I sure do. My little grandson brought over his motorcycle the other day when he was here, and we went for a walk. Kept wanting to go on the road because he's riding a motorcycle. He has 3 grandpas, and one of them is a motorcycle guy. He has lots of motorcycles, and my grandson just loves anything with wheels. So he loves, you know, being like his other grandpa and riding his motorcycle. So cute. And of course I got glue on that. And then this I'm going to have to very carefully put some glue stick on. There is a lot of little tiny parts, and some of them I actually cut, so they're only hanging on by one side. And I know how hard this can be, like, to get the pieces all glued on without ripping them. Oh, see, that's not good. I don't know. Is there a trick to this that I don't know about? Maybe that. Just put it on carefully with my fingers. So that's going to go there. I think that looks cute, actually. I really wasn't planning on putting the wheels on there, but it looks cute. And so we have, oh, my button. I don't have my button. And I forgot to sew it to this. Maybe I still can, though. Maybe I still can. Alright, what I need to do is get my pokey tool. And I have to actually find my button. There it is. I think maybe down a little bit more. I actually might be able to. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think we can do it. I just need to get my thread and my needle and I'll be back. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is come up this way. Actually, I think I'm gonna leave the fabric down there because I don't want to bunch it up. And this is not going to be as easy as I had hoped. But what I want to do is come up this way, and bring a side up, and then I'm gonna, unfortunately I do have to, oh, maybe I don't, maybe I can just go like this. The hole is pretty big. It was a really hard, oh, look at that, I could have just done that. Alright, so I'm gonna tie it in a knot and glue it down. Maybe I'll tie it in a bow. Not. This is probably a pretty long video. I hope you're stuck around to the end. And there's that. And now we have to glue this back down. I didn't actually... It only went through the one hole, but I think it'll be okay with the glue. Well, that's down. Now let's kind of glue this down too, I think. There. Oops. Okay, I may end up, actually I think I am going to put a little more glue down here under the fabric, and then that's good. That's good. Alright, so let's see what we've got. We've got our button, anything postal related, something that lays eggs, something that turns or spins is the wheels, a photo, and floral paper. So I did everything, even the bonus. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And like the video if you liked it. And we'll see you again next time. And I am also going to have to build a new journal because I've run out of space. So yeah, this is what we're gonna need next time. A train, plane, or automobile, decorative napkin, something found in the mountains, dictionary page, interesting building, paper clip, or brad. I think I can come up with all of those things. So have a great day or night, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.